Okay, well, I'm working on this another door lock. Yesterday I had a nightmare of doing these things, but I figured out my nightmare. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about these. I'm not sure what kind of bit they call it. The forest thinner, and they're pretty amazing drill bits. And right now it said on the directions to use a 5/8, but I started with the 5/8 yesterday and it wasn't bad enough. So the nice thing is having a selection on the size. I've got the 3/4 one there, and that seems to be doing all right. I'll just get this set up for the shot. Oh, one last thing here before I move on. Now, I started right here in this one. I took that one all the way down, and the next one all the way down, and then this one I started there, and then I've kind of overlapped it. Can you see how I've kind of stepped up to make sure that I'm gonna end up with that finish there? It wants to be pretty. I can go a little bit over, but you don't want to back yourself into a hole, so I just kind of keep it equal in the middle, take it down one little bit at a time. And you'll see this thing, it chews it up pretty good. And what you want to have is the old vacuum ready. See what this does. That one's going a bit crooked. You can move it in all directions. You can move it back and forth, sideways. Get yourself back on track. Just that little bit more there, and I'll put it in for a test fit. We could test fit it right now, I think. See if it's gonna go. That's gonna be pretty good. Just get that one little bit. It's tight. I'm gonna need to do some trimming on the inside, but it's damn close. And it's hot. It's 83 out here in the sunlight, maybe 84. Feels like 90, 95, something like that because of the humidity.